The Uber should be just around the corner, boys. All right, here she comes. Let's go. Shotgun middle. Move out the way. You move out the way. Get the jersey out the way. I need more space. I'm not going in this Benavides sandwich. I'm Daniel Sanders.
I'm Luciano Benavides.
I am KTM Benavides. And I ride for the
Red Bull KTM factory racing team.
Alright, we're here, boys. A little bit late. Come on, let's go.
Boys, where have you been? We're waiting. Hurry up. Boys, time is ticking.
For 2025, we have a new team.
The atmosphere is pretty high at the moment. It's a smaller bunch of guys this year, so we're really focusing on the target.
At the end, we need to work together. Dakar is a race that is 15 days.
Over 8,000 kilometers. We've got a lot of fuel on the bike. We have to navigate our way through the desert.
You can find everything you want. The menu is sand, rocks,
Sand dunes,
rivers.
any big dry lakes.
During Dakar is everything.
We have to navigate each day from the start to the finish. It's man versus machine and the desert out there.
It's not just you need a team behind you, you need the support of teammates, and of course also with my brother we are super close and we've been training together for many years, and now to be all in the same team will be something I think spectacular, and we will try to get KTM back on the top step of the podium.
Dakar is definitely the biggest motorsport event globally. It's huge. Every discipline watches it.
Millions of people tuning in worldwide for this year's Dakar Rally. Nearly 800 competitors are geared up ready for a long 15 days in the desert.
Racing, it's why I'm here. It's everything. It's yourself in an open desert, really. Like, it's just a whole lot of freedom out there. You get into a certain rhythm and a flow, and when you feel really good, you can do some pretty crazy things and you forget about the race. As a kid and you get that little bit of adrenaline riding, that's sort of where the disease starts. Coming into racing, then that's sort of the next level of it. Obviously one of the main reasons we're here is the speed, and we're not scared of it now. We've done all that as a kid. We've found the limit, and then we go as fast as our 450 rally bike can go now.
You have to keep the good spirit and the good energy through 15 days. And this is something that is not so easy. You will have good days and you have bad days.
It's not just 4 or 5 hours on a bike, it's 8, 10 hours, days, every day.
The fitness is super important, and also the mental side.
It's months, years prior.
We work all the year for this event that is the biggest race in the world, and it's super important for us.
Kevin Benavides wins the 2023 Dakar Rally. This is his second Dakar win now.
It's many things that you have to put it all together to be at your 100% to perform good, because the level right now in Dakar is growing so fast, and you have to go all in, all days.
It's tough, draining, mentally, physically, and it's definitely the toughest race on the planet.
To beat Dakar, you have to suffer.
Unfortunately, injuries come with it.
I crashed in May. I broke my elbow and also my humerus. It was really complicated situation for me. So they did the first surgery. After some days, I can't really move my hand, and we decided to make another surgery called transferencia tendinosa, transfer of the tendons in Spanish. That means we switch some tendons from some places. So in total, we changed 4 tendons to recover all the movements of the hand. And after that, start again with all the movements, and also to teach again to the brain to recognize the movements. It was complicated and was really hard and painful. Also really hard for the mind, you know, to stay positive all the time. Honestly, I am putting my maximum just to try to recover as quick as I can. But the different thing with tendons and bones is that need some time. You need to respect the days, you know, and that is the biggest problem for me, because we always want to come back fast, you know.
I don't know, it's something about this race, probably the adrenaline that gives you the freedom. No matter what you pass through the year, even if it's an injury, bad times, whatever, you always want to come back, and you want to come back even stronger. So yeah, this is something, it's like a drug.
I feel so happy to have